All right. So, let's start. I was told to stand here because banana for scale for the stream. And let's see what you came up with for this beautiful MateLight installation that is kindly brought to us by our friends at Seabase. Thanks for that. By the way, the Seabase are having their 30th anniversary this year, so happy birthday, Seabase. And now, without further ado, we will start with the pictures of the MateLight. And we have 4 submissions, and we will show them in the order of when they were submitted. And everybody will get 30 seconds. And afterwards, after all the screening, all the entries will run like continuously, so you can check them out. And you can also check them out in the party system, of course, and vote for them once the network is stable. And I think the network is coming back, so thanks also to the network guys. So, first entry, Club Mate by PS. Cheers to that. Liquid gold. And the second entry, wait, we are showing it for 30 seconds. And the second entry, Meerjungfraumann und Blaubarschbube, sorry, by Nörni. Guess you need to squint the eyes sometimes a bit, or look at the small big screen. And the third entry, Little Mayday by Slacks. Under the sea. Ja. Können wir die Beleuchtung kurz ausschalten? Ach so. Alex, können wir die Beleuchtung in der Bar kurz ausschalten? Oder irgendwer, der das weiß? Scotty kümmert sich. Eure Beleuchtung kann anbleiben, nur die hier im Raum. Thank you. And the fourth entry, AC Cursor Light by Henna. Somehow the big screen on the bar died as well. Let's see. Yes. And these were all the entries for the graphics competition. And right afterwards, the MateLight animations. Let's check them out. First entry, Mate Nir by Jumalauta Hirmo Dominatoring Committee. And the second entry, The Clown's Great Pogo Stick Spectacle by CP. Is it the second part to the animation from last year? There he jumps. Nice. And the third entry, Turrican Time Tunnel by Notepond and Doc K. And entry number 4, Droplets by Crypticelery. Bloop, 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 bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. Is the MateLight half full or half empty? That's the question. Entry number 5, Godzilla Goes Brrr by Oni of Poo Brain. Wow. Entry number 6, In Lucy We Trust by Crypticelery and Revenge Day of Cortex Implants. Who said you can do scrollers only on old school machines? And entry number 7, The Lonely Remoter by Monotony of No Gap, No Bacteria. Is it the invitation on the MateLight? I'm intrigued. And entry number 8, Famous First Words by Losser of Attention Whore. Smooth. Amiga. And entry number 9, Color Game by XCM-DOS. Nice. We heard you like cubes, so we put some cubes into your cubes. And entry number 10, Deadline by Picor. I think it's actually quite hard to get the gradient that nice on the MateLight. Well done. And entry number 11, the final entry of the animations, Blume by BTR of Team 210. And that was it. That was the MateLight competition of Deadline 2025. Kudos again to the C-Base. And yeah. And coming up next, it's Zeiger Kollektiv on the main stage, playing demo tunes live.